Hi and welcome to Heal My Hemorrhoids. In this video you will learn how to use aloe vera for hemorrhoids, what tips and tricks to use when treating hemorrhoids. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. To use aloe vera for hemorrhoids, apply directly to the affected area with your finger. Also try to get aloe vera inside the anal canal. Leave the gel on for 15 minutes and then clean the area. Aloe vera juice can also be taken orally 3 times a day. Because of multiple benefits, aloe vera is used in a lot of health problems. That included taking care of the skin as well as being a good dietary solution for everyone. But today, we're gonna talk about the anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera that also help to shrink and reduce the pain of hemorrhoids. And we'll also discuss how it's a great way to relieve constipation along with hemorrhoids. Using aloe gel is very much effective in taking care of hemorrhoids. It's even great for long-term constipation, which is also known as chronic constipation. Can you use aloe vera gel on hemorrhoids? Applying aloe gel directly on the inflamed area can result in pain relief along with reducing the dryness caused by hemorrhoids. Aloe gel has a lot of benefits because of its antiseptic and healing properties. It helps to heal wounds along with refreshing the wounds with its anti-inflammatory healing abilities. It stops any infection from spreading out, and its antiseptic abilities deal with the infection at hand. It reduces the pain and prevents the hemorrhoids from being dried, resulting in a lack of itchiness. Drinking aloe juice can be a lot better since it has multiple health benefits. Aloe vera juice helps the digestive system since it has a lot of fibers in it. It even works as a laxative, helping you directly by preventing constipation. And if you use both gel and juice, the combo can be very helpful. How to apply aloe vera gel on hemorrhoids? Take a bit of aloe gel on your fingertips and apply it around your anal area gently. Then take some more gel and try to insert it inside the anus. Apply it there gently and give it about more than 10 minutes for it to get to work. After 10 to 15 minutes, wash the place thoroughly. The aloe gel will prevent the area from drying, which will help you relieve pain and itchiness. Wash your hands carefully so that you don't infect other places. If using your hands feels uncomfortable, you can always medical hand gloves. How can I use aloe vera for hemorrhoids? Aloe vera has probiotic properties that help the bacteria in your intestines. It's also very much helpful for your liver, ultimately helping you both from the inside and the outside. Using these natural remedies can be very much helpful for your hemorrhoids. It can help you both treat the hemorrhoids and relieve the symptoms at the same time. If your hemorrhoids are not very severe, drinking aloe vera juice can be very effective. You may also mix it up with something else like honey. The mixture can work very well when mixed and work in multiple ways. You can take aloe vera juice 3 times a day. Always drink aloe vera juice before your meals. Why you should use aloe vera for hemorrhoids? Using aloe vera on hemorrhoids is a very popular natural remedy you can use. The problem, however, is that it's not for aggressive treatment of hemorrhoids. External usage of aloe vera juice can be very soothing in a lot of ways. Aloe vera is really good for a lot of skin conditions and can be very helpful. They're easy to get and very useful in a lot of ways. Aloe vera gel has healing abilities that can heal wounds a lot faster if used upon. When you apply directly on a strained wound, aloe vera gel works as a hydrating agent. It prevents dryness on your skin very fast and soothes the skin very quickly. By decreasing the overall strain on your rectum, it can easily stop a bleeding session and help you relieve related pain. Can eating aloe vera ease the symptoms of hemorrhoids? You can eat aloe vera or drink aloe juice and it'll help you with hemorrhoids. It has many effects on our body and it also works as a laxative. One of the best ways to prevent hemorrhoids from forming is to deal with constipation. The faster you deal with your constipation, the faster you'll be able to prevent getting hemorrhoids. Having a balanced diet will always keep constipation away, and that's a fact. Consuming aloe vera has its perks, including giving you a fiber-enriched diet. Having a good diet is always the main weapon you can use against hemorrhoids. What to remember before using aloe vera on hemorrhoids? Using aloe vera as a natural remedy to fight hemorrhoids is a great way to deal with it. But you'll have to remember some simple facts before using it. No matter how you choose to use it, you'll have to consult your doctor first. And another thing to remember is, a lot of natural remedies don't work efficiently on severe hemorrhoids. And that includes usage of aloe vera gel and aloe vera juice. If you have a manageable hemorrhoid condition, using aloe vera will surely help you with your issue. It'll surely relieve you from pain and it'll deal with your constipation. But if you have a very severe condition of hemorrhoids, the only logical choice would be having surgery. What are hemorrhoids? Hemorrhoids are the inflamed version of blood veins that surround the anal area. They're deflated sacs that grow over time because of constipation. And they do grow very fast because of long-term constipation, which can be a very irritating experience. They obstruct the bowel movement and can irritate the anal area. Because of the swelling, stools can't pass easily and strains the whole anal canal. Hemorrhoids have a lot of symptoms, and that's not all. Two different kinds of hemorrhoids are available, internal and external hemorrhoids. But we're going to talk about external hemorrhoids here since they're the ones people suffer from more. It causes the anal area to become strained and it appears as a long anal canal. Mild hemorrhoids cause painless bleeding from the anal canal. But indeed can cause a very irritating experience. Because of hemorrhoids, the anal canal becomes dry and it causes extreme itchiness. But in severe cases, hemorrhoids can be very much painful. The pain can be very extreme, and it can be very hard to sit anywhere for some time. Hemorrhoids are mostly caused due to not dealing with long-term constipation. And long-term constipation can be caused by several reasons. They include having an unbalanced diet that lacks enough fluids, fiber, and eating a lot of processed food. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Hope the video was helpful.